I'm looking at myself wearing this unit from Unice hair company, and I'm like, honey, I am a very beautiful black girl, period. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install this gorgeous wig from Unice hair company. And by the way, today's video, guys, is sponsored by Unice hair company. We really do love collaborations on this channel, especially when the wig is looking this cute. Okay, like, I am so impressed with the quality. I also love the way they mixed the colors of this hair, the honey blonde, the brown. It is looking absolutely gorgeous. My skin tone and this wig, they are communicating, like, a period. Do you see what I'm talking about? I love the body wave situation. It is absolutely gorgeous. I am so impressed. Like, Beyonce, run. Like, I'm coming for your crown, child. Sis, I'm coming for your crown. Just run, because wow, I'm out of words, you guys. This is absolutely amazing. I keep on looking at myself. I'm supposed to be looking at you guys there, but come on, guys, I can't get over this look. It's beautiful. So before we waste any more time, let's get straight into today's video. And oh, by the way, guys, please do not forget to check the description box for more information if you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous wig. Shout out to Unice hair company. Today's video is in collaboration with them. We really do appreciate collaborations on this channel. So guys, I'm going to do a quick unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from Unice hair company. They were kind enough to send me a wig cap, 4 hair clippers, a pair of lashes, a gorgeous scarf, and this amazing ear-to-ear honey blonde body wave lace wig. It is 18 inches long. The lace is pre-plucked. I love the fact that the lace is so soft and not itchy at all. That is a plus for me, guys. If you love this wig as much as I do, please do check the description box below for more information, and of course direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Unice hair company. And of course they have other gorgeous wigs, so do click the links in the description box for more information. And as usual, this video is self-explanatory, so I'm gonna let you guys watch and enjoy this installation process. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy.
It's funny how my heart is wired. It doesn't make any sense to me, but who am I to question my feelings? I'm leaving you for someone else, but it's not who you might think it is. It's someone who you're already loving. I've been over this for a long time now, and I finally know where my heart Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. It feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's do, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. It feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's do, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's do, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Sweet talk, sweet
For so long, I've been trying to get you out of my head. Oh yeah, but somehow I always seem to wake up in your bed. Baby, if we talk for a minute, then maybe we'd be getting somewhere.
I'm happy with Uni's hair, okay? I'm really impressed with Uni's hair. I mean, ooh, I can't stop looking at myself. I'm sorry guys, I keep on looking there. I'm supposed to be looking here, okay? But yeah, I'm so happy guys. I love this wig, period. And there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram at curly memes, and please do check the description box for more information if you're interested in purchasing this gorgeous wig from Unice Hair Company. It is the best wig. Like, I look so beautiful, I look so different. I feel really pretty, you guys. Like, it's doing what it's supposed to do. Like, it's matching my skin tone so well. So yeah guys, please do check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links. Yeah, that's about it for today's video guys. Until next time, bye guys.